Assets versus liabilities explained. Though it won't buy you happiness, money will make you more comfortable, open doors, create opportunities, and make the good things in life even better. It may even save your life or the life of a loved one. Not only does it help us get some of life's intangibles like freedom or independence, it also gives us the opportunity to make the most of our skills and talents. The ability to choose our own course in life and financial security. With money, much good can be done and much unnecessary suffering can be avoided or eliminated. Most people who live life paycheck to paycheck tend to struggle financially due to a lack of financial literacy and the unwillingness to change. Instead of taking some time out to educate themselves and learning how to adapt to their environment in order to ensure their survival, they will rather drift throughout their entire lives, live below average, never reach their full potential, and complain. Learning about personal finance gives you the knowledge and understanding to make smart money choices. Thus, you become more in control of your own life and are empowered to do things that matter most to you. Learning how to manage your money means learning how to become free. Furthermore, financial literacy is important because it equips us with the knowledge and skills we need to manage money effectively. Without it, most of our financial decisions and the actions we take or don't take lack a solid foundation for success. Don't ensure that we are using our resources accordingly and pass down wealth throughout the generations. In personal finance or business, the terms assets and liabilities often appear together. They are two fundamental elements that shape the financial health of your business or yourself and make up your company's balance sheet or greatly influences your net worth. An asset can be defined as a resource owned by a person or an entity or by a government which has an economic value and a future benefit that can be gained from the resource. Some assets offer you direct cash inflow, while others provide you in kind. Assets can be further classified into two groups: current assets and non-current assets. Any assets whose benefits or income can be incurred within 1 year is typically referred as current assets, and any benefits or income which a party enjoys over a long period or for more than 1 year is known as non-current assets or fixed assets. For example, cash, bills, receivables, or bank overdraft can be used for a tenure within 1 year and hence they are current assets, whereas land, building, machinery, goodwill remains for several years and their benefits can be utilized for more than 1 year and hence they fall in the category of fixed assets. A liability can be defined as an obligation, a debt, or a loss a firm or an individual bear in course of a business. In other words, things that take money out of your pocket. Most entities acquire liabilities when they run out of money and need external assistance to keep moving forward. Liabilities can also be classified on the basis of current and non-current, depending on the basis of the time frame. For example, for non-current liabilities, Any obligations which are generally more than 1 year are known as non-current liabilities. For example, long-term borrowings, shareholders' reserve, deferred tax liabilities, long-term provisions, etc. On the other hand, when firms dues or short-term financial obligations, they are known as current liabilities, such as short-term borrowings, trade payables, other current liabilities, short-term provisions, etc. Assets add value to your company and increase your company's equity, while liabilities decrease your company's value and equity. The more your assets outweigh your liabilities, the stronger the financial health of your business. But if you find yourself with more liabilities than assets, you may be on the cusp of going out of business. In conclusion, financial literacy is important because it equips us with the knowledge and skills we need to manage money effectively. Without it, most of our financial decisions and the actions we take or don't take lack a solid foundation for success. Don't ensure that we are using our resources accordingly and pass down wealth throughout the generations. Furthermore, the more your assets outweigh your liabilities, the stronger the financial health of your business or net worth. But if you find yourself with more liabilities than assets, you may be on the cusp of going out of business or on the verge of bankruptcy and homelessness. The end. Thank you.